In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Attack on Titan Wings of Freedom with mouse. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, AOT Wings of Freedom features full controller support, so if you visit the game on Steam, you will see it listed here, full controller support, and you might be curious if it is possible to play this game with a keyboard and mouse instead of a controller. Thankfully, it is, and you will be able to change the button mappings inside of the game itself. So open AOT Wings of Freedom, and before you start, go over to the options. Inside of options, you will see settings. So go to options, settings, and finally, controls. Now, you will find the option to change every single button or keybind under button mapping. Now you will see all of the actions that you can perform here. Select the action to be changed. So you will see the actions, for example, fire anchor, the action as a Titan, and then which button you use for the gamepad and keyboard. So all that you have to do now is input something on the keyboard option here. So you choose a specific action that you want to modify, and then you press the respective button on your keyboard. It is simple to do, and you will be able to bind these to whatever you would like to use. This is just an example. You don't have to copy these exact settings, but if you prefer, here you go. Now, some buttons like mouse 1 might not be available for you to bind them. So for example, if you would like to bind attack to mouse 1, that isn't going to be an option. Some of these are going to be limited, so keep that in mind. But overall, you can use most of your keyboard buttons into these actions on AOT Wings of Freedom. It is simple to do, and you will find it available under button mapping on the controls category. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight that according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.